Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into AVC or Australian Venue CO employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. Australian Venue CO or AVC is a hospitality company that owns and operates a diverse portfolio of venues across Australia and the United Kingdom. Now, in order to log into employee account on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want. Then on the search URL, type in AVC employee login. Then press enter. Now from this page, click on this link that says employee hub or www.ausvenueco.com.au. Click on that. Here you will get to this employee hub portfolio. Now scroll a bit, then at your left hand side, you will get employee assistance with bunch of options. From there, you can select the one that you would like to log in for. Here I'll go with the first one. Then click on visit page of recruitment hub. After that, you will get into login page. Now, in order to log in, first of all, you have to enter your valid email address. So enter your email address. If you want to save your login credentials, click on remember me option and then your login credentials will be saved. Now, in case you forgot your password, click on this link provided that says don't know your password and that will help you out to recover. Now, once you're done typing your email address, click on this next button. After that, you will be asked to enter your password. So enter your correct password and once you're done again, click on login button and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your employee account. And that's how you can log into AVC employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.